Hi, glad to see you on my Pro Assistant channel. Today we are talking about the DXtrade platform. If you want to know how the platform works, what's special about it, and why it can be useful for you, stay tuned. And of course, subscribe to the channel and give us a like to support us. What is DXtrade? DXtrade is a SaaS solution developed for brokers working with Forex, CFDs, stocks, and other assets. The main thing worth noting is that this platform is fully customizable. This means that brokers can customize it to suit their brand, audience, and even their working strategy. The platform is available in two variants: DXtrade SaaS for retail Forex and CFD brokers, DXtrade XT for professional brokers working with futures and options. What's special about it? Lightning-fast startup. DXtrade can be integrated into your broker's operation in just a few weeks. This is especially important for those who want to enter the market quickly. User-friendly interface. The platform offers an intuitive design that is easily adaptable to different levels of traders. Flexibility in customization. DXtrade allows brokers to customize trading conditions for their clients. For example, you can change the size of leverage, set margin requirements, and even create customized trading offers. Interesting figures and facts. Minimum technical requirements. The platform does not require powerful hardware, making it accessible to most brokers. Built-in analytical tools. More than 50 indicators for market analysis. Fast trade processing. Order execution time is minimal due to the use of modern technology. Cons of the DXtrade platform. I would note that despite all the pros, the platform may seem complicated for beginners, especially in terms of customization. Also, according to some brokers' reviews, DXtrade requires significant effort at the initial integration stage to reach its full potential. To summarize, DXtrade is a modern and flexible solution that is ideal for brokers who are ready to invest in quality technology. Its advantages are obvious: quick startup, customizability, and powerful risk management tools. If you want to stand out among your competitors, this platform can be a great choice. To not miss our next episodes, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.